What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a fun day. We're meeting up with a couple of the guys, and we're gonna be heading to Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. I got my Toyota Fest t-shirt on for today, and if you didn't see that video, go check it out. We cruised up there with the RCF, a GSF, 2 ISFs, I had the LC 500, and we cruised up with 7 Supras all in one caravan. So it was a pretty cool video. But yeah, I'm about to go meet up with the boys right now. I will update you guys when we get to the meeting location. Alrighty, all the cars are here, about to get on the road, head out to the event. All right, so we're about to get on the road. We're actually gonna meet one more of the guys that we know, and he has a McLaren, so I guess he's coming in with us to the car meet. We're gonna meet him over in Mission Valley. So yeah, let's get on the road and do this. Have a nice little drive. All right, we are approaching the event now, so some windows down action. Dude, the downshifts. Those are downshifts at 3,000 RPM, not even higher ones, and they're just popping every single time. See? Oh my God, crisp. One more time, set in pink on the Fuji Speedway. Frank parked by himself because he's a cool guy, I guess. Lexus LC, McLaren, got me, then we got Eric pulled up in the GR Corolla.
All the Alcantara.
For license plate. CD4 Blackwing. Dang, look at the carbon seats. Wow. This is nice.
With that one?
Luggage in the front too.
Or to a vacuum.
So like two little tacks instead of trying to get into one. That's super rare too. Yeah. So you see through the.
This ST is nice. It's green in the interior with the carbon buckets. Man, these things look so good in all black. So right ahead we got the new Super Snake, then we also have Mercy Locks coming by.
It's good, but not compared to yours. Because the thing we have with ours